Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete review and guide to using the Nisi 10 stop neutral density, that is ND filter. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography videos every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tutorials from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And today we are going to talk about ND filters, and I'm going to give you a complete review and guide to using the Nisi 10 stop IR neutral density, that is ND filter. And the product is very good. I have clicked some amazing landscape and cityscape long exposure images with it. An ND filter minimizes or modifies the intensity of light entering the camera, meaning it cuts or filters the light that enters your camera and reduces the light in the scene. So it kind of acts like sunglasses for your lenses. Now the product comes in this case, and you can easily fit it inside your bag or even pocket. And you can clean it with any microfiber cloth. If you don't have one, you can use any cloth that you get with your spectacles or sunglasses. Just move it gently in spirals and clean it. I bought a 55mm diameter filter for my 1855mm kit lens, which has a 55mm diameter. So check your lens diameter, it will be here guys, and buy a corresponding ND filter. I bought it from Amazon 2 years ago at a price of ₹2,256. And different diameter filters will have different prices, but from Nisi they will all range between 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. And I bought it for my wide lens, the 1855, because I wanted to click landscape photos, especially waterfalls. Now you may be wondering, Sonika, you can click a waterfall using your kit lens also. Why do you want to invest in an ND filter? Yes, I can use my camera as is, but I will not get the effect of the water flowing in a silky, milky way like an enchanted princess. I won't get it. In order to click such long exposure images, you need an ND filter. There is no other way out, because for a long exposure photo, I have to increase my shutter speed to at least 5 seconds. This way, since my shutter speed is so high, more light enters my camera, so I have to lower my ISO and increase my f number. Suppose if I increase my f number to even the maximum my camera can go to, of f32, I may still get a fully blown out image, because 5 seconds brings a lot of light into my camera. So for that, I will use my sunglass, my ND filter, attach it to my lens so it blocks the light entering the camera. And even at f8 or f11, I can get a properly exposed image in camera. And there are different stop ND filters available: 10 stops, 6 stops, 3 stops, 2 stops. I bought 10 stop ND filter of Nisi because I think there's too much light, and 10 stops helps you get that perfect exposure. Even with 6 stops or 3 stops, if it is a broad daylight situation, you may still get highlights in your images. If my image is a little dark, I can increase my ISO and kind of balance my exposure, but if my image is highlighted, there is no way I can correct it. There are also variable ND filters available, which have 2 layers of polarizing glass placed opposite to each other, and you can rotate the glass and set any stop that you need: 2 stops, 4 stops, 10 stops, anything all in one. So you don't have to buy separate 2 stop, 10 stop, 6 stop filters, and you can also use that for videos. Now your question may be, why didn't I go for a variable ND filter, and why did I go for a fixed 10 stop filter? Variable ND filters are more expensive, and also my need was to use my ND filter for landscape photography, which anyway requires 10 stops. First, frame your scene in your camera with the camera on a tripod and click a normal image. This way you will lock your framing and your focus. Now I'll put the ND filter, switch to manual focus, manual mode, increase my shutter speed to 10 seconds or whatever you want to keep, guys. It's up to you. Aperture can be f8 or f11, depends on the scene. ISO has to be the least 100, and with this I click 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Make sure your tripod is sturdy, and if it is very windy, hold your camera straps so that they don't cause any camera shake. Also, if possible, use a remote. If you don't have a remote, set your camera on self timer to further avoid camera shake. The only drawback I found in the NISI filter is that at very high shutter speeds of more than 20 seconds or so, you start getting a slight magenta or bluish tint in your images. You can tackle it later in post-production, but it eats away your time. So guys, this was my honest review of the NISI 10 stop ND filter, and if you guys liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which products you want me to review next on my channel. Share this video with your photography friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography vlog. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.